Have you ever wondered how computers communicate over the internet? It's through something called subnetting. Subnetting is the digital planner of the internet world, segmenting the vast expanse into manageable chunks or subnets. Each subnet has its own unique identity, much like our postal systems, with different codes to ensure efficient delivery. The internet is similarly divided, facilitating effective data routing. Thus, information can find its exact destination. Subnetting extends to IP addressing, which could be compared to a device's street address on the internet. By establishing subnets, we can allocate a distinct IP address to each device, aiding in smooth communication without causing network congestion. The concept of subnetting is crucial to understand how computers talk to each other over the internet. Now that you understand the basics of subnetting, let's delve into the different classes of subnets. Have you ever wondered about the different classes of subnets? Absolutely. These classifications are distinguished by their IP address ranges. Let's kick things off with Class A. This class's public IP range spans from 1 to 126, providing a wealth of unique addresses. However, in terms of private subnets, Class A ranges from 10.0.0.0 to 10.255.255.255. Moving on to Class B, the public IP range for this class is between 127 to 191. Sure, it offers fewer addresses than A, but it's plenty for medium-sized networks. The private subnet range for Class B is from 172.16.0.0 to 172.31255.255. Lastly, we reach Class C. This class's public IP range is from 192 to 223, aptly suited for smaller networks. For private subnets, Class C ranges 192.168.0.0 to 192.168.255.255. These classes play a crucial role in structuring our networks. By assigning a particular class to a network, we control the number of addresses within it, ensuring no wastage. Such classification aids in streamlining network management, permitting network administrators to better distribute the load and enhance network performance. Having a solid understanding of subnet classes, we're now ready to delve into the world of private and public IP address. Ever wondered about the difference between private and public IP address subnets? Let's understand it quickly. An IP address is a unique identifier for devices on a network. They are categorized into private and public. Private IPs are for local networks like your home or office and can't communicate directly with the outside world. They rely on a router to communicate externally, making them secure for internal usage. In contrast, public IPs are globally unique, assigned by ISPs, and used for external communications like website visits or email sending. Now, how are these IPs structured? They're divided into subnets. Subnets partition a larger network into smaller ones, excellent for managing traffic and enhancing security. Private IPs are in specific subnets defined by the Internet Engineering Task Force in the Class A, B, and C ranges. Public IPs, however, can be in any subnet not reserved for private use. And that's a wrap on subnetting, from understanding its basics to the different classes and finally, the difference between private and public IP address subnets. You now have a good foundation to delve deeper into the world of networking.
Thanks to the G-Man channel for a simple introduction to subnetting. Like, share and subscribe, and we will see you again soon.